When Israeli bombs struck Doha, it wasn't just Qatar that came under fire. It was a direct challenge to the dignity, security, and sovereignty of the entire Muslim world. Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Asif condemned the strikes in the strongest terms, calling Israel a rogue state. He warned that history has shown appeasing Tel Aviv is always a dangerous mistake. Instead, he urged Muslim nations to rise above silence, unite, and use their strength collectively. Since the year 2000, Israel has conducted numerous airstrikes across the Middle East, particularly in Gaza, Lebanon, and Syria, resulting in significant civilian casualties and millions displaced. The attack on Doha marks a disturbing escalation, a strike not on a battlefield, but on the very heart of the Gulf capital, sending shock waves across the region. Khawaja Asif reminded the world that Muslim nations are far from powerless. Together, Gulf countries control a substantial portion of the world's oil reserves. Saudi Arabia alone holds about 17.2% and collectively represent nearly 1.9 billion people, including some of the fastest growing economies of the 21st century. United, their economic and political leverage could reshape global responses to aggression. Pakistan leads this call. The second largest Muslim nation, a nuclear power with an estimated 160 warheads, and one of the world's largest armies. Standing firm against aggression, Pakistan's history shows resilience. From defending Kashmiris under Indian occupation to consistently raising its voice for Palestinians under siege. It has stood against tyranny, even when others chose silence. Today, as Israel tests the patience of the Muslim world once again, Pakistan sends a message that cannot be ignored. Unity is strength. Silence is surrender. The world is watching, and Pakistan is reminding the global Muslim community. Together, we are unbreakable.